Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the vehicle icon on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Settings button. Tap on View and Units within the General section. And after that, you should scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find this vehicle icon feature. As you can see now, it is set to arrow, but as you tap on it, you will be able to see all of the available icon options. As you scroll down here, you can see them. So feel free to change it to the relevant one that you prefer. All you have to do is tapping on it, and as you can see, it says that it is active, meaning that you have successfully updated the vehicle icon of the application. So feel free to update it anytime you feel like to do so by coming back to this section and just simply tapping on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.